Today, Monday, small update for the DAZA, and at the same time I'm gonna answer to one comment. Plus I'm gonna check the camera if it's flickering from the LED. It looks okay up to now. We're gonna find out. Now, 3 pistons done from cleaning, by the way. Remaining 2. This will gonna happen today to finalize this. Then somebody asked, you know what if they fix, let us say, the combustion chamber according to the head gasket, if they machine it? That's not the case actually. You should not gonna do that. You need the head gasket to be at least 0.2 of a millimeter more inside to don't enter inside the combustion chamber. At least for me. Maybe for somebody else it's still making this shit. Yeah, it's still flickering. How to call now this? Alright, zoom out and it's nice. Yeah, please note that the head gasket has been aligned. I have put one pin here at this point. I have put another pin at this point here. I'm watching through the camera, that's why. Okay. And then here what you see, to me need 0.25 millimeter from the left and 0.25 from the right. If I get a measurement from the head gasket on the block, by the way, let me put it on the block at the same time to see how it looks like on the block. You see that the cylinder has a step here and has a step here also. This is how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to don't be the head gasket inside the combustion chamber. Now, let's do one simple thing. The width at this point, it's 4.5. Alright. On the engine block, it's 5.5. This is how it's supposed to be. That means you have half millimeter left and right. This is exactly the same like the MA56, MA57, CJX, BWA, the block. Now if you come here, we said 5.5 here, 4.5 the head gasket. If you come here, one second, let me put also a little bit color, just to have an idea what I'm measuring. Okay. If you come here and you try to measure this one, you will gonna find it 4 millimeters. Okay. So for me, for my eyes, for my mind, that's not right. Especially when you're reducing the distance between the cylinders. It's not the ideal, if you like. Like I said, I would like to see here a sharp edge, but that's me. This doesn't mean that I'm right, right? So, from the side of the block, it's correct. Once again, obviously, that's my opinion. From the side of the cylinder head, it's not the ideal, and I'm gonna stop there. Alright, fair enough. That's it. Now, continue, like I said, with the pistons. Today, I'm gonna remove also the valve seals to be ready for the valves to be lapped. It's not gonna happen today. I'm busy outside. Just a small update. You don't want, again, I don't want to enter the head gasket inside the combustion chamber. Now, is it it's reasonable what I'm saying for you? Not? It is what it is, right? That's it. Thank you very much. Let's put this also on the video. Screw it. We have 82.5 cylinders, okay? This is how much it is. If you come here on the head gasket, not only on this head gasket, I dare you to check any head gasket. You see that it's greater. Let's stay at 82.5. If we come here on the cylinder head, with the material that's missing, you see that the calipers, they're going more deep inside. Alright, now if you measure the cylinder bore of the head gasket, you will gonna see that the cylinder bore, it's 83.54, 83.5. What does mean that one? It's 1 millimeter greater than the bore there. If you come here and you measure from the edges, just a second, it's 83.9. Yes, it is 83.9. So now, I hope that makes sense what I'm saying. Now that's the end.